In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back a lovable deployment. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a previous version of your app and roll back to it safely when something unexpected happens. Think of this as your quick recovery plan for getting a stable build back online. Start by opening your browser and searching for Lovable Dev. From the results, click the official Lovable site. If multiple results appear, choose the one that clearly points to the Lovable developer platform so you land in the right place. Once you're on the site, click Sign in and access your account. After you're in, you'll arrive at the Lovable home screen. Here, look for the section labeled Projects. This is where all your applications live. You'll either see a list of your recent projects or a grid view displaying every application in your workspace. Either layout is fine. The goal is simply to locate the app you want to roll back. On the project card for that app, look for the three dots in the corner. Click those to open the Options menu, then choose Open in New Tab. Opening it in a new tab helps you keep your main workspace handy and makes it easier to switch back if you need to check another project later. Inside the project, focus on the chat sidebar on the left. This is where Lovable tracks the conversation and the changes associated with it. At the top of that chat panel, find and click the history icon. It looks like a clock or a counterclockwise arrow. This is the key to rolling back because it reveals a chronological list of your app's previous versions. Browse through that list of versions. Each entry corresponds to something you or the AI did, like a prompt you sent or a change generated by the system. When you click on one, you'll see a preview of how the app looked and behaved at that specific moment. Take your time here. Use the preview to confirm that the version functions the way you expect and includes the features you need. Once you've identified the version that's working correctly, select Restore this version or Revert to this version, depending on the label you see. This action rolls the app back to that state, effectively undoing the more recent changes. Give it a moment to apply, then verify that the app loads and behaves as intended. That's the full process. Find your project, open it in a new tab, inspect the history, preview earlier states, and restore the one that solves your issue. With these steps, you can confidently roll back a lovable deployment whenever you need a stable baseline.